Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Plex on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. We're going to hop over to the find icon and go down to search. Click on search and now you're going to type in Plex. So Plex. And now when you've typed in Plex, you can see the suggestions below. That's the Plex app. So click on the Plex app, click on the icon and you find the install button. So you see this download button right here. Just click on it once. So you quick and then you queue and then the download will begin. So is beginning the download. I'll just give it a couple of seconds to completely download and then I'll show you how it installs. Remind you the installation process is automatic. As you can see, the download is over 10% already. As you can see, the download is almost complete. So we're over 90% downloaded. I'm giving this a couple of seconds to complete and right there you find it installing. So this is the app installing directly to your device and the process is automatically. So this app will install to Fire Stick and you'll be able to access it on your dashboard or directly here. So if the app completes installing, you could just click on open to launch the app from here. Alternatively, you could go back to your app drawer and you'll find the app ready to use right there. So there it is downloaded, it is installed. I could just update the app to make sure the latest version is running and now you can see ready to launch. So the app has been installed and is ready to launch. I can launch the application and begin to use it right away. Now very quickly I'm just going to download that update and get it installed. This can happen where you download an application, it downloads without the update. So on Fire Stick, if it downloads without the update, all you need to do is just download the update, let the update install and then you open the app. So right there the app has completed downloading. I can just click on the app and that will launch it. So give it a couple of seconds and there you have the interface. So you can sign up with this app without even any details. You can just sign up, you can skip the sign up. You can sign if you have an account already and enjoy Plex. So that's it for this video. If you found it insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.